On the first test, Ada's score was 10 points higher than Paul's. Paul plus 10. That's on the first test. On the second test, Ada's score, which is second, Ada's score is 4 points higher than Paul's. So Paul plus 4. If Paul's average score on the 3 tests was 3 points higher than Ada's average, then Paul's score on the third test was how many points higher than Ada's? Okay, for Paul's average on the 3 tests, Paul's average score on the 3 tests was 3 points higher than Ada's average. So for Paul's average to be 3 points higher than Ada's, that would be like scoring 3 points higher on 3 of the different tests. So that would be a total of 9 points. And then here, let me see, she has scored 14 points more than Paul. But it says Paul's score on the third test was how many points higher than Ada's score. So it had to be 14 plus 9, or 23 points, for him to get those points back.